Hello everybody, here with a product from Harbor Freight that I picked up. It's a central pneumatic. It's a retractable air hose. It's got a 3/8 inch hose on it. It's 50 foot long. I got it because the one that I have is up on the wall there and you gotta hand crank it back in. There's no knob on it. You guys gotta sit there and turn it by hand on the real part, and it's getting to be a pain in the butt. So I picked this one up to see how it works out for me. It should be a lot better as long as the quality and it holds up for me. But it says it's got a 50-foot hose and the real inlet size is 1/4 inch. And it says it's good up to 250 psi. My air compressor goes up to about 120, 125, so got plenty of room to play there on it. And this is Harbor Freight's item number 64685, and I'll put the item down below so you guys can go to it on Harbor Freight's website and won't have to look it up. I'll put the link for you. So we'll go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. It's supposed to be adjustable. You can mount it on the floor, the wall, or whatever. And there's 4 positions that you can put the hose part in. So check it out. It does got a little weight to it, so when you're putting it up, you may need a hand for someone to help hold it while you mount it to the wall. And it does have rollers on it, so when the hose is going back in here, it has these 4 rollers. And it's adjustable here. You just got to take these 4 bolts out. And you can turn this to several positions on it. So it should be able to adjust. You can mount it on your ceiling, floor, on your wall. Mine will probably be at the higher part of the ceiling up there. That way it's kind of out of the way and it frees up the room down below for me. On the hose, I don't know how good it'll be for me. Inside here where it's heated, it'll be okay. But when it gets really cold, and if I get it outside, I'm thinking it's going to be really stiff, unlike my Flexzilla hose that I use. And I might have to change the hose out to a Flexzilla one. That way it's flexible all the time. And I prefer those hoses anyway. On this here part, you can adjust it, loosen it up, and move it. It takes a little Phillips screwdriver, well, a big-headed Phillips screwdriver to loosen it up, and you can move it to wherever on the hose you want. And there it goes back in pretty good. It does have a spring on it here to help make it last longer on this here little hose part. So on these here, also I don't know how good that's going to last, because I've had one from Harbor Freight. It was a cheaper model with an actual hand crank on it. And this part went bad like almost instantly. So I'm hoping this one don't do that. It shouldn't. It looks like it's made a lot better than the other one was. So we'll check it out, give it a try, and when I get it put up, I'll do another video on it and let you guys know how it's working out. But like I said, I'll put a link down below on this so you can check it out. The part here kind of flimsy, but I might have to stiffen that up over time. All depends on how I hang it, I guess, if I'm pulling down on it or not. The other part here's made a lot better. It's a thicker metal. This here is kind of flimsy where it's thin. But overall it don't look that bad. But like I said, I'll do a video on it after I get it up and use it a little bit. And don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day and talk to you later. Bye.